Very good morning, students. I'm Dr. Shruti. Today we will going to discuss about the human relation approach. That is the very important, other than the Taylor's and the Fayol's principles of the management. So, human relation approach is basically, I mean, human relation approach consists of some of the experiments and that we will discuss in this particular video and as well as in the live sessions as well. So Elton Mayo was the person who was basically propounded this particular approach of human relation. In that he was a medical student but developed the interest in psychology. He considered human being as a focus of the management action. Mayo is known as the founder of the human relations movement. Now, he has experimented three particular experiments. The first one was called as an Hawthorne experiment. Hawthorne experiment was conducted between 1927 to 1923 near in Chicago in USA. Now, it was conducted by the Elton Mayo, Whitehead, Roethlisberger, and objective was to examine the effect of the fatigue on the worker. Fatigue, you understand, students? Fatigue means thakna, right? Fatigue means thakna. When you feel that you are can't able to do anything because you are so tired, in that case it is called as a fatigue. So objective is to examine the effect of the fatigue on the workers. Now what was Hawthorne experiment? Extended to evaluate the attitude and the psychological reaction at the workplace. So that was basically the Hawthorne experiment was. Another one was the illumination experiment. Now, what I'm trying to tell you, I'm trying to tell you the gist of the theories. What are exactly they? Right. Now, in the live sessions, in the e-notes, it's already matter, it is all there. You can read it out. I'll definitely discuss in the live sessions as well with the holistic approach that what exactly Hawthorne experiment was and what was the illumination experiment was and test groups and control group and all the things, right? So now let's come to the elimination experiment. The experiment was conducted to observe the effect of the illumination. Now when the light is dim, we already feel like that we are not doing anything. It is so drowsy, it is so dull, and everything thing is very dark, and you feel like that you are doomed somewhere. But when the light is bright and everything is so bright in your room and or in your workplace, you feel like to work more efficient and the better way, right? So that's why Elton Mayo has uh, I mean run the test of the illumination experiment, we can say. So there were the two groups, which two types of employees which has been categorized. The first one was in the illumination group. The first one was the test group. Another one was the controlled group. Now the test group one, it was intensity of the light was changed. So the test group, as the name suggests, that the people who are under the test group were seeing the variation of the light when they are working in their factory or working in their workplace. And the control group was the light was the kept constant. So productivity in the test group was light was reduced to the ordinary moonlight. Now what research has been concluded? Elimination was not the cause of the flow of the law of the productivity. Phase lasted for the 2.5 years, and certain other factors might be responsible for the low productivity. So the experiment which has been found out, that was totally different. The result says that the result says that the elimination was not the cause of the lower productivity, because the employees were able to do the work in the moonlight as well. So there was no problem they were having while they're working in the factory or the workplace. Now the next one is the interviewing viewing program. The interviewing program was 3 years long interviewing program, covered more than 21,000 of the employees. Objective was to explore the information which could be used to improve the supervisory timing. Supervisory training. So this is what the interviewing program was a direct questions method was not successful. Method was changed to the indirect interview. Importance of the informal groups was recognized. So uh, this is what in the interviewing program. Now, what research concluded in this? The productivity can be increased is if the workers are allowed to talk freely about the matters that are important to them. So this is what the human relation approach. These three experiments was largely conducted in so many years of 5 to 7 years, and they have conducted these many experiments and come to the certain conclusions which I have discussed with you. Now, in the keynotes, these experiments has been widely mentioned, as well as in the live sessions. I'm going to discuss these things very thoroughly. As this was a video, so I kept it very simple and sweet. So I'm looking forward to keep this session in the live session as well. Have a great day.